Hi, what is a self-funding funnel and why is my little $10 funnel been so successful? Hi, I'm Carol Rivet and welcome to my channel. Let's get right into it. Okay, first of all, if you've struggled to have success online, it's because it's not your fault. It's because you don't have the right system. My system is a proven system that works. Okay, let me take you to here. Now, as you can see from right here, all of these, look at all the affiliate sales, WS sales. It's not just myself that's having success. My team is having success as long as you plug yourself into this. Okay, so how does it start? It starts with this capture page where you're capturing a name and an email. Okay, we also have other capture pages like that. And then you go to, let me find it, a bridge page, where the bridge page talks a little bit about what the funnel is and how it can help you. Okay, and then at the bottom of this bridge page, there's a little button that will take you to the sales page, and the sales page just does that. These two videos right here do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, it's literally as easy as step 1, step 2, and step 3. Step 3 and 4 are the same one. Basically, you send traffic. That is the name of the game. Once you have a system that converts and works, you just send traffic. But you need to send quite a bit of it, and it needs to be consistent. Don't think that you're just going to send traffic for a month and then you're going to be able to go on and do other things. You need to send consistent traffic day in, day out, day in, day out. It's like a small snowball that starts, and as it goes down the hill, it's getting bigger and bigger and picks up momentum. That is what your advertising needs to do. So step 1 right here is this is the $10 business. It has a free 7-day trial. GDI, I've been in this for years. It has paid me every month that I have, and I've earned every month with this, and I've earned weekly with this, with different recruiting bonuses that you can earn. Then Lead Sleep is the funnel system, okay? If you are a pro member in Lead Sleep, the main couple benefits is, one, you get hands-free traffic, set up your pro ads, and then the traffic comes to you. You don't have to click for it. And you get to set up the email series. The email series here goes from whatever you want, either 10 days or up to 300 days. Okay? If I set the funnel up for you, it's probably going to be about 50 days worth of emails. If you can do it on yourself, then you can have the full 300. I think there's 311 days worth of emails. Okay? And it's not skip 2 days, skip 2 days, skip 3 days. It's every single day there's an email coming out, okay? And then the traffic. Traffic is important, and what makes this funnel successful is that it's budget-friendly traffic, okay? And then and it's all affiliate programs are all attached to the traffic. So, and if you don't like the traffic that's in here, or maybe you have other traffic that you want to do, put your traffic in here. There's nothing that's set in stone in here, okay? This was made for you so that you can build your list. You can collect your leads. You can get sales and keep them all to yourself, okay? A lot of funnels are already preset. You have to join their proven opportunities, and then you have to join all their traffic sources. And then their traffic sources are like, hundreds of dollars, thousands of. Maybe you can send 2 or 3 traffic sources in a month, because most of the time they're all solo ads. Well, more than just solo ads work here. Even free advertising works here. If you're willing to do YouTube, post on Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, all those social medias work, but you've got to work them. GDI also has a blog. You need to work the blog. Okay, now these are some of the best traffic that I have used over the years and that has worked for me. And so when you buy the traffic, you put your link in here, and then when somebody clicks into yours, they buy the traffic, you earn a commission, and then you fund your funnel for more traffic to drive more leads to build your list bigger, to get commissions so you can take the commissions and put them into getting more traffic. As I've said before, if you have other traffic sources that you like, and this is really nice hands-free buyer traffic right there, that's another whole page in itself. Don't expect to sign up for all of them. These are options, okay? These are things that have worked for me over the years, okay? And then there's a couple things in here that are, a little more new. Okay, like that one's a little more new. This one, Wholesale Premium, I've used for years. Free advertising for you. Infinity Traffic Boost. Some of these I've used for so long. Mailer Gold is a newer one, but it's one of the best traffic resources I found. And it's like maybe $25 now. Maybe it's up to $30 now. One-time cost, and you can send out an email every 3 days. That works. And then European Safe List, if you're not in that, chances are you don't know about Safe List. That's only $7 a month. Okay, the self-funds. Once you earn commissions from it, you take commissions, get more traffic. Maybe you're getting more mailers set up. Maybe you're, getting into traffic, get more leads, build your list bigger, and get more sales. Even if they don't join you right away, most of the time they're not going to join you right away. It takes, technically, as they've always said, it takes 6 to 7 times, like 7 times for somebody to look at your information before they join you, okay? The follow-up email series is so people get to know, like, and trust you, okay? So this is a self-funding funnel. And when you join, make sure you look for my GDI resource page, because that has all the share codes for this for you to set this up. Okay, that is a self-funding funnel. This is my $10 funnel that is centered around Global Domains International. You can use this for however you want. If you want to take GDI out, that's fine. I mean, a lot of people love the $10 business, though. You can always send, on the back end, if you have a different business, you can always send a broadcast email out to your list on the back end of it. All right? Okay. That's it for today. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. God bless, and take care of yourself.